Egg is everywhere. It can utilize to a wide variety of recipe with different ways of cooking. But the most attractive point for egg is I think it helps to deal with hunger simply than any other food. I'm going to cook 계란밥, which is Korean egg fried rice. Recipe for 계란밥 is very simple. Prepare 2 eggs, 2 serving rice, 3 tablespoons finely chopped scallions, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. If there is no oyster sauce, you can just add 1 teaspoon salt instead, 1 teaspoon butter, and 1 teaspoon pepper. This egg fried rice is flavored with lots of scallions, which smells really good, and butter will help to add extra flavor. Trust me,